Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Muhammad, and inshallah in this video I'll continue doing our Tajweed rules through the book Reach the Goal via Tajweed Rules by Maha Rashid. And Alhamdulillah, we started doing our Noon, Sakina and Tanween rules. We did Iqlab and also Idhar. And today it's time for Idgham. Let's get started and see it. Okay, as we said, Idgham is one of our 4 rules of Noon, Sakina, and Tanween. And here, what is Idgham? You have to know the meaning of Idgham itself. And Idgham is to mix or to put one thing into another. It's here to mix between 2 letters to make them a single mushaddad letter. 2 will be 1, but with shadda, and if you know, shadda is the double of the letter. We pronounce it 2 times. That's it. Idgham is to mix between 2 letters, and here it's 2 words also. Okay, and as we usually do, you have to know the letters for Idgham, and they are collected in the word yarmalun. They are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, and noon. All of those letters are for Idgham, and they are divided to 2 subtypes. They are Idgham with Ghunnah and Idgham without Ghunnah. If we have Ra or Lam, they are for Idgham without Ghunnah. As you see here, if Noon Sakina or Tanween is followed by any of these 2 letters, there is no Ghunnah while making Idgham. And if there is one of these 4 letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, Idgham will have Ghunnah too. Ghunnah is the nasal sound, and here it will be for 2 beats. Is it okay? That's well. Here we have yarmalun. It's the 6 Idgham letters. We have 2 of them for Idgham without Ghunnah, just mixing, and the rest are for Idgham with Ghunnah. It's to mix between 2 letters and also do Ghunnah for 2 beats. Okay, here we have Idgham with Ghunnah. What to do or how to do it? It's to skip the Noon or Tanween and to pronounce Ghunnah with the following letters for 2 beats. Okay, let's get some examples to make it more clear. Here we have a Noon Sakina, min, and the next word starts by mim. Mim is one of our Idgham letters, and especially a Ghunnah one. It's yanmu, ya, noon, mim, and waw. Those 4 letters are Idgham with Ghunnah. And that's it. Noon Sakina, and there is mim. How to do it? The normal one will be min masad, but here we will do it as mim masad. Oh, what did we do? We skipped noon, we discard this noon, and we mixed those 2 words or those 2 letters, and we pronounced this meme as a mushaddad meme. Have a shadda or double meme. We say mim masad. Those 2 words as 1 word, and we added Ghunnah for 2 beats. Again, mim masad. Apply after me. Mim masad. Here there is Ghunnah. It takes 2 seconds, and we do Idgham. 2 words as 1. Okay, and if we go to the next example, it's falan nazidakum. Noon after Noon Sakina, and it's one of our Idgham letters. How we do it? It's falan nazidakum. Falan. Here, this is Idgham and Ghunnah. falan nazidakum. Okay, that's very good. Let's go to Tanween examples, and we have jaza'an min. How to read it? Jaza'an min. Jaza'an min. What did we do? We skipped the Tanween sound of Tanween, the Noon sound of Tanween, and instead of saying jaza'an, we said جزاء. We mixed those two words and we skipped noon sound with Ghunnah for 2 beats. Again, جزاء من. That's it. The next example, قلوب يومئذ. قلوب. This is mixing with Ghunnah for 2 beats. Okay, this is our idgham with Ghunnah. And the next is idgham without Ghunnah. If we have ra or lam, we skip the noon only and we mix between the words without doing Ghunnah. This means there is no time in between of them. We do this one, we have عن ربهم. We will skip this noon, we will discard and connect those two words, mixing between them. It's instead of عن ربهم, عن ربهم, عن ربهم, عن ربهم. There is no noon and they are one word now. Here we have لئن لم. Lam is our idgham letter and it has no Ghunnah. It came after noon sakina. Here we have to mix between them, discarding the noon and mixing the words. We say لئن لم. Right, لئن لم. There is no noon and it's lam directly. لئن لم. And this example it's ذكر للعالمين. Instead of ذكر, this noon sound of tanween will be erased and we will mix them. ذكر للعالمين with no time, no Ghunnah. ذكر للعالمين. And here لرؤوف رحيم, not لرؤوف رحيم. I hope it's clear for you now. And that's it. It's to discard the noon sound, mixing between the words. If it's one of ينمو word, it will be with Ghunnah. If it's ra or lam, it's without Ghunnah. And here, the last note, you have to take care that we have some words that they are exceptions. And the rule here should be in 2 different words. This means noon or tanween are the last letter in the first word and the beginning of the second word, it's one of our idgham letters. If they are in the same one, here it's an exception and the rule will be إظهار مطلق. If you remember, إظهار is clear, to make it completely clear one. As you see here, we have noon sakina and there is waw. Waw is one of yarmalun idgham letters, but they are in the same word. Here it's a clear noon, normal noon. We say sinwan, sin, clear noon. There's no mixing, no discarding of this noon. It's a normal one. Here we say qinwan, bunyan, الدنيا. Dun, nun sakina, and ya is one of our idgham letters, but we do not do idgham as they are in the same word. Okay, that's it for idgham, and it's all. I hope that you get it. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comments. Please subscribe, follow, and share if you find it useful and helpful. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.